Hi, Randy Stone here again at Kegel Training Center. I want to talk to the consumer out there a little bit about what are the three most important questions that I believe you should be asking your pro shop operator when you go in to get a new bowling ball. Number one is, are they finding your positive access point, also known as a PAP? All ball layouts are designed around that concept of knowing what your PAP is, so that the weight block that is going to be doing the trick inside that bowling ball is placed correctly for your game and the environment that you bowl in. Another big one is, are they going to use dual angle layouts? Those dual angle layouts are very predictable. They're very easy to adjust off of for your future layouts as well. And if they have a good spec sheet like we have here at the training center, all of that is charted on your spec sheet. And also we want to talk about an oval thumb. I've been doing this a really long time, and I've been at the round thumb because that's the only bits that we had to use back in the day. But in today's world and the new technologies that are available to us, we can oval a thumb, and I have yet to see a round thumb. I don't drill any round thumbs here at the training center. Every one of them has got some version of an oval, and I believe that you're going to fall into that category as well. So make sure you're asking your pro shop operator, do you have the capabilities of drilling me an oval thumb? Number two is, are you going to find my PAP? And in the layout process, are we going to use dual angle layouts or something comparable to it? Thanks a lot for watching. Randy Stoughton from the Kegel Training Center.